Whoop. Hi, so this is me using the DJI Mic Mini in post, and I'm using the +6 setting on the mic receiver. What I got is a 2 mic transmitter and 1 receiver, and what I really like about this DJI Mic Mini is it's very small, and it's compact and it's sleek. But the con that I noticed is it only has the USB-C adapter. So if you're using an iPhone, you need to buy the iPhone adapter to connect it to your phone if you don't want to use Bluetooth. So I'm not sure if you can hear my aircon, but it's open and it's loud currently. For my setup, I have the receiver connected straight to my laptop, so it's recording straight in DaVinci.